Here are some of the latest reasons Coherent keeps collecting confidence across the market. Starting with its appearance at OFC 2026, where the standout was its portfolio of high-speed pluggable optical transceivers spanning 1.6T, 3.2T, and future 12.8T plus architectures, which leverage a multi-technology platform that includes silicon photonics, SiF, indium phosphide InP, and VCSEL technologies. Coherent demonstrated multiple 1.6T transceivers using different combinations of these technologies, along with various DSP chips and electrical interfaces, emphasizing flexibility and scalability. For emerging 3.2T systems, Coherent showcased 400 G per lane optical links using both InP-based electro-absorption modulated lasers, EMLs, and silicon photonics modulators. Looking further ahead, it introduced a new multi-lane XPO pluggable form factor designed to support 12.8T and beyond, improving system performance, density, and power efficiency. A major theme across all its showcases is supporting AI infrastructure, which is driving demand for higher bandwidth, lower power consumption, and scalable architectures. Coherent highlighted its vertically integrated technology stack spanning materials, components, and systems as a key advantage in meeting these needs. Additional demonstrations involved co-packaged optics (CPO), which integrate optical and electronic components more tightly to improve efficiency, and enhanced multi-rail optical transport systems that significantly increase fiber capacity. The updated multi-rail platform can deliver 4 transport rails within a single unit, boosting performance while reducing power and space requirements. It also presented innovations such as a thermoelectric generator that converts waste heat into usable power, and quantum-safe networking solutions developed with partners. Coherent is actively contributing to industry collaboration efforts, including interoperability demonstrations and new multi-source agreements, like XPO and OpenCPX, aimed at standardizing next-generation optical technologies. A significant focus was placed on InP technology, which underpins many of Coherent's high-performance components. It showcased a wide range of InP-based products, including high-power lasers, modulators, photodiodes, and integrated subsystems used in transceivers, transport systems, and co-packaged optics. Coherent is also scaling up global manufacturing capacity for InP to meet growing demand. On the stock side, Coherent stock, ticker symbol COHR, will join the S&P 500 on Monday, March 23rd, reflecting its financial strength and growing importance in the photonics and AI infrastructure ecosystem. So keep an eye on it and other changes to the S&P with TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.